Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm talking about a zero touch body moisturizing lotion. I've been watching a lot of videos, people making about this serum, how it can clear knuckles and all that, but nobody's talking about this zero touch body lotion. This zero touch body lotion is a very good cream that you can able to use to get a perfect shade that you want. But my only concern about this zero touch body lotion is that it's not moisturizing at all. When applying it, you will notice as if you're applying a kind of water in your skin. And for you to be able to use this cream to get a perfect result, you need to add a lot of oil so that it can moisturize your skin. If you have a very dry skin, this zero touch body moisturizing is not meant for you. It will not moisturize your skin. Except you have to add a lot of oil for you to get the result. Also, the serum is also very dry, so everything about this cream is the moisturizing that is not okay, but overall it's very good on the skin. But it's not good when you're looking for a cream to moisturize your skin and tone it and make it glow. It will not moisturize your skin. So this zero touch, how you can able to use it, that you mix it with a syrup and add a lot of oil for you to get the perfect result that you are looking for. So that is all I have to say about this zero touch, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel to hear more. Thank you. Bye.